71ാമത് ദേശീയ ചലച്ചിത്ര അവാർഡ് പ്രഖ്യാപനം നടക്കുകയാണ് തത്സമയം.
And thematic depth. Producer Shine Screens India LLP and the director is Anil Ravipudi. The best Tamil film, Parking. For creating a tightly wound drama of escalating ego, the story uses a seemingly trivial parking space conflict to explore pride, moral compromise, and generational tension within the urban households. Producer is Soldiers Factory and Passion Studio, and the director is Ramkumar Balakrishnan. The best Punjabi film, Godde Godde Ja, which means calls of excitement. For challenging regressive traditions and transforming a rite of passage wedding ritual into a beacon of female solidarity and empowerment. Producer is VH Entertainment and Z Studios, and the director is Vijay Kumar Arora. The best Odia film, Pushkara. With authentic cultural depiction and emotional depth, the film crafts a moving narrative around a young man's transformation from a romantic youth to a lifelong tradition called Pushkara. Producer is Tarang Senior Productions, and the director is Shubhranshu Das. Sorry, the paper is stuck. The best Marathi film, Shamchi Ai, which means Sham's mother. For bringing to the screen Marathi heritage with its black and white visual palette and deeply authentic storytelling through the childhood experiences of a growing boy. Producer is Amruta Films and director is Sujay Sunil Dahake. Best Malayalam film, Ululukku, which means undercurrent. For combining intimate character study of a family, highlighting patriarchal conditioning, grief, and agency through restrained performances. The producer is Unilaser Ventures Private Limited and MacGuffin Pictures. The director, Christo Tommy. The best Kannada film, Kandilu, The Ray of Hope. For crafting a moving narrative rooted in real-life experiences of a farmer striving against systemic apathy, presenting a tale of grief, duty, and quiet determination. Producer is Swastik Entertainment and director is K. Yashoda Prakash. The best Hindi film, Kathal, a jackfruit mystery. For creating a mystery that peels back the absurd layers of bureaucracy and politics with a deliciously sharp satire that serves a hilarious yet thought-provoking take on misplaced priorities. The producer is Netflix Entertainment Services Private Limited, Balaji Telefilms Limited, and Sikhya Entertainment Private Limited. Director, Yashovardhan Mishra. The best Gujarati film, Vash, which also means hypnosis. For redefining storytelling by weaving folklore, local superstition, family suspense, and horror into a gripping narrative. Producer is Big Box Series Private Limited, KS Entertainment LLP, and the director is Krishnadev Yagnik. Best Bengali film, Deep Fridge. For its mature storytelling and sensitive performances, the film transforms personal estrangement into universal resonance. Producer is Colors of Dream Entertainment. Director is Arjun Datta. Best Assamese film, Rongatapu, 1982. That's the name of the film, Rongatapu, 1982. For bringing with unflinching honesty a turbulent chapter in Assam's history, portraying migrant local tensions, social strife, and grief through a raw narrative realism and visual authenticity. Producer is BRC Senior Production. Director, Adityam Saikia. That finishes the phase of the regional films. Now we're coming to the technical awards. The best action direction, now it's also called stunt choreography. Certain films prefer action, certain films prefer stunt choreography. The film is Hanuman, Telugu. For the stunt choreography, blending myth with momentum and crafting a divine spectacle where ancient power meets cinematic fury, echoing the strength and spirit of Lord Hanuman himself. The stunt choreographer is two of them, Nandu and Prithvi. Best choreography. The song is Dhindora Bajere from the film Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani, Hindi. For its breathtaking choreography that breaks gender norms and breathes new life into classical form. The choreographer is Vaibhavi Merchant. The best lyrics. The song title is Uru Paleturu from the film Balagam, which means the group, Telugu. For the lyricist's vivid portrayal of rural life, capturing universal themes of home, generational bonds, and the heartbeat of a village with cultural intimacy. The lyricist is Kasarla Sham. Best music direction goes to the Tamil film Vathi. For creating the soulful Vavathi and the rustic Nadodi Manan and the inspiring One Life, each composition pulsating with feeling and narrative intent, and thereby elevating the film's emotional journey, goes to composer G.V. Prakash Kumar. The best music direction for background score goes to the Hindi film Animal. For creating a background score which is relentless undercurrent of dread, amplifying the primal rage, emotional chaos, and fractured psyche of the protagonist, transforming scenes into a nerve-wracking experience. It goes to composer Harshvardhan Rameshwar.